Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be going through one of my own makeup looks that I came up with. Ooh, when was it? Let me just check. I came up with this look on the 2nd of January this year, so it's a lot sooner than I was expecting. It is this little spacey face. I'll put a picture up at some point, and I put a poll up on my Instagram last night because I knew I was going to be filming today, asking whether you wanted to see this one, this space look, or the blue skull from I did back in October, and everyone said this one, so this is what you're getting. So to start off with, I've got my base done and my eyebrows because I know they're not changing. I've got some face paints to put under the eyeshadows so that it doesn't stain me, because I've kind of got to go to work tomorrow, and if I've got a pink forehead I feel like I might, you know, attract some looks or something. Yeah, so let's go straight into it. Now I'm going to be using this little flat brush. I'm going to use this with the pink. I'm just going to go all over my forehead. Just with some water. Oh, and I'm using this Nazaroo face paint in the shade Pale Pink. Exactly what it is. I'm going to get this right in my hairline. This is going to mean I'm going to need a shower after this, which is fine because I need to shower anyway. Which is why I chose to film now. Around these walls, fighting. This is second day hair, and you can really tell that all these baby hairs, not cute, huh? That's not cute. I also have a new light. I bought a ring light. I've actually had it a while, it just ran out of batteries, so I just bought some new batteries for it. So I hope it's a little bit better, because now I can use my phone while filming, because my phone was my light. Just gone right over a massive spot, and that really hurt. Again, into my hairline on this side. There's nothing worse than seeing face paint and it's got a line where you can see the skin. I've definitely been guilty of that a couple of times when I was just figuring out what looks good and what doesn't. But oh well, you live and you learn. Yes, this is just a base, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I've got this pink down, I'm going to be using, I think, hang on, let me check. Okay, I am going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette. I thought I was going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, but instead, no. So I'm going to be first taking this purpley shade here, which is called, this one, called Single. Literally just going to take that on a big fluffy brush. Bit annoying. I'm going to try and put my phone actually under my camera. Oh, you see that? Perfect. So if you see me looking there, that's because I'm looking at my reference photo. Okay, so I'm just going to put this purple. Oh, good. Perfect. I'm going to put this purple all over the pink. This look is a lot more purple than I thought it was. I thought it was more pink originally, however it is not. Hold me close till I get up. I have also realised that I need a much bigger SD card, because I've got an 8GB and a 4GB, and I can only film, obviously, however much will fit onto these SD cards, and it's a bit annoying because I've had to get up a couple of times, put the footage on my computer that I've just filmed, delete the footage, then sit back down and hopefully get everything right in the same place and everything. So I'm going to have to invest in a 64GB, I think, which is a bit annoying, or just film the rest on my phone, which I know that I've done before. However, that is not very professional, and not that I'm very professional like, but you know what I mean. And just doesn't look the best. I'm so hot in my room right now. The radiator is on and the window isn't open because otherwise you'd hear everything, and yes, I'm a little bit sweaty. Literally just putting one shade of purple down because I will be putting planets and stars all over, so. Around these walls, fighting
to create us.
Right, I understand this looks a bit patchy. However, just like I said literally 1 second ago, I'm going to be putting planets all over. So it's not that big of a deal really. And to make my planet, I have got the lid of my collection powder. I'm going to paint around the outside with face paint, stamp it on. Oh, this is too big! I might just have to freehand it. I don't like to freehand it because it's too... Is that too small? Oh no, that seems... Oh, is that what I used last time? That seems decent. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to take that. I'm going to take the lid of my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, paint this a pinky colour, go around the rim, and stamp it on so I get a perfect circle. Ooh, the pink out of this face paint has just come out of the palette. I'm going to be changing a couple of things so it's not just the exact same. I don't think I'm going to put a ring round this planet. I'm not too sure if I'm going to add the moon. Might add another planet. Who knows? Right, please don't dry because I still need to stamp you. Okay, quickly getting my mirror. Finding out where I want you. There. And press it down. Decent. Right, that'll do. I'm going to get the same brush in the same shade of pink as before and just fill this circle in. There we are, that covers my spot nicely. I am now going to get my reference image back up because it keeps going off. I'm going to get my palette back again and add the shadows. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Escape. I did know that. In fact, I think I'm just going to get the same fluffy brush as I used to use Single, which is the other shade. So I'm just going to get my mirror again, get this shade Single, and I'm just going to lightly put it through. Oh no, that looks too much like... Okay, never mind. I'm going to get a little bit of a dark colour brown, mix it with the purple and see if that works. If I'm honest, I cannot remember which one I used. Ugh. But that was really ugly. Okay, I'm going to use this brush which I got in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. Just going to use that. It's just like a little packer brush. Can be a little bit more, can you see? Be a little bit more precise with the colours. Just blending that in with my fluffy brush. Just getting makeup all over my newly washed jumper, which is fine. Actually, I've got alginate on this jumper. Okay, so I stopped filming, which means I've already filmed for 12 minutes. My camera stops filming every 12 minutes, which is a little bit annoying, not gonna lie. But anyway, yes, I think I've got alginate on this jumper somewhere because I was live casting last week. Oh, I just assume that you all know what alginate is, and you might not. It's pretty much like the goop they put on to get a cast of your face. It's made from seaweed. Right, I'm going to take the white shade of James's palette, which is called Flashback. Again, definitely knew that. I'm just going to add the highlight onto this now because I feel like it looks really weird. Now to me, that's not obviously planet, okay? I feel like I am going to add the ring because it doesn't look like a planet at all. So I'm going to take the white Snazzy face paint, just like I have in my last two videos. This white shade is definitely... Oh, just got it all over my jeans. Love that. Anyway, yeah, this white shade is definitely well loved. Right, this is going to take so much concentration, so I'm going to have to be quiet. Hope that's alright. Right, that white shade has 100% gone a little bit translucent and gone a bit purple, which if I'm honest I'm completely fine with because I feel like if it was just the white against the purple it would look really crazy. So now I'm going to take smaller brush. I'm going to add the stars all over. These are just completely random, just like stars are. And that is exactly how I just made a shooting star. I just put a big blob of face paint. Before it dries, I just swipe it away with my finger and you get your shooting star. Not exactly the most detailed thing in the world, but it works. Right, cute! Little stars. I think I'm actually going to add a little one of these on this one.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
That's so cute. That reminds me of Peter Pan. I don't know if you can see. Oh, so cute. I really have him in focus for this video. It looks to me like I am. But if I'm not, then it's just been a complete waste of my time, hasn't it? Right, now time for the eyeshadow. Again, I'm going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm going to be using the shades 518, which is this orangey shade, the two purple shades, which are Single and Escape, and is that it? I'll put this one as well just in case I end up using it. So that one is called Love That. I'm holding this so awkwardly, not too sure why. Okay, start off with, I'm going to be using the shade Single on a Real Techniques fluffy brush. There you go. I'm just going to blend this all the way through my crease.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Just putting that under my eye a little bit.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Next, taking the shade Love That. I'm going to put that closer to my eyeball. I'm going to next take the orange shade, which is called 518, and I might also use the yellow shade, which is called B. We'll soon see, that rhymes. Tap off that excess. And I'm just going to run this through just under my brow. I'm not really too sure what this part of the eye is called. And I'm going to just pull it down my nose a little bit, blend it in all the way, and just do the same up by my brow bone, blend it in.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
I'm going to take a yellow shade and put it right in the middle just to blend those two together. I am sweating. I need to put on my sleeves. I am so hot. I feel like it's also because I'm doing this in a little bit of a rush to make sure I get it all on camera. It keeps stopping. This is going to do my head in, but I'm going to keep blending this through. In fact, I'm going to blend a little bit of orange just underneath here. Just blend that all the way through.
Hold me close till I get up.
I'm now going to take one of that purple shade. I'm just going to put it under my nose. I've loved to do this recently. Not really too sure why, but I just feel like it's cute. I'm not too sure what this footage is going to be like, but we just have to go with it. I'm going to highlight in my inner corner. I'm 100% going to have to do my other eye off camera. There's no way that my camera could possibly take it. I'm also going to be doing my lips black, which is no news. Yes, so now that this eye is finished, don't know if you got any of that, but I'm going to do my mascara, other eye and lips off camera and be right back. I'm not too sure how much longer I have on this camera, but we will just have to see. Okay, so I finally finished this look, and I know my camera's going to stop any second, so I'm going to have to talk quite quick. I have added lips, I've added pink on my cheeks and my collarbones, my cheekbones. I've done my other eye. I've added mascara. The mascara I've used is the Rimmel Scandalised Wild Wings, just like it used in any other one. And yeah, so this is going to be my outro. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. My Instagram is RunClubMakeup if you want to give me a follow, that's where all my things go down. What else? I'll have another video out next week which I will either decide myself or choose on Instagram, so head over there for that. I'm sorry that the end of this video has been a little bit rushed and not exactly what I was hoping for, and I'm sorry I keep looking there, but I can see that's where I see myself, so I'm just checking that my footage hasn't stopped. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you soon. Bye guys.